Today, we are taking a look at the Razer Wireless Control Pod. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get this both from Razer's official website and from Amazon if you rather. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay, of course, comes with basic instructions and stuff. We will skim through this real quick so we can see. Okay, it has basic instructions, and then this is also like it telling the commands, modes, and stuff. So you probably should keep this so you can know how to pair it and whatnot. But here is the device, okay? It actually had a fairly heavy base, which is what you want because you want to be able to have it actually. Let's do a peel, okay? Because it looks like that it's something we can peel. And let's see, we have it here, and let's do this satisfying peel. Okay, and yeah, there we go. A satisfying peel. And then, it just sits here and you'll be able to turn the knob and whatnot. And because it had this rubber stopper on the bottom that you're able to do stuff with, and this would probably be the pairing, but before we do pairing, we have to put the battery in, which it does come with battery. So let's put those in real quick. Okay, and we have the batteries in and presumably the pairing light. So let's go ahead and pair it. And it paired, so the light stopped blinking, and it's literally just one color. I'll show you guys right here. And as soon as I started to try to show you guys that, it actually pulled up a Razer wireless control pod thing, which is interesting because I only have this connected via Bluetooth. So let's actually go through the process, shall we? We hit next, and it looks like we can actually do different apps type thing. Select the software you'd like to install. Now, I assume you can just hit X and not install anything if you rather not install anything. We're going to go ahead and install Razer Synapse 4. I guess there's no problem. I just want to see what it can fully do. Let's hit skip and continue. We'll only install what we need to install. And now that we have Razer Synapse installed, it literally detected Razer Wireless Control Pod as the new software. So we are going to install that. And now that it's installed, we can actually click here and actually decide what we want it to do, so to speak. We can toggle between modes, we can pair a new device, we could do audio mode, command mode. So this is basically what you do when you want it to be able to, when you want to change what it can do, okay? Like we don't have this assigned right now, but we can assign a macro, we can switch between profiles. By default, it's going to be just volume up and volume down on your computer. That's what it is, just by default. That's just what it is. but you can actually customize it, which is very cool, actually. Being able to customize it is very cool. Very, very, very cool, if I'm being perfectly honest. And if all that doesn't work out of the gate for you, you might want to restart your computer. But I'm going to be perfectly honest. If you are only using this for volume control to control your computer volume, either turn it up or turn it down, this will do that out of the gate from the get-go, okay? Yeah, this will do that out of the gate. You don't need to install Razer synapses or anything to do that, if that's all you want to do to control your computer volume. If you want to do other stuff like switch between volume sources and make it do some macro stuff and whatnot, you will want to actually install Razer synapses and go through there. And as this says, it will indicate when the battery low. That's the two AAAs that are in the bottom of it. That means it's linked to speaker. That means there's a Bluetooth import source. So basically, this light that, where is the light? This light right here, if it's not on, it's not linked to the source type thing. Yeah. So, yeah, there's that there. Is this device needed? Probably not overall. Is it fun? Yeah, yeah. It can be fun, especially if you have a keyboard that doesn't have one of these on it. You can definitely use this, okay? But I am going to end this video off here. Hopefully this has helped you in some way, shape, or form. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.